With prices climbing everywhere, we've been cooking most of our meals at home these days. It's not just cheaper, it's smarter. And today, I decided to try meal prep for the first time. I started with a batch of mashed potatoes with a bit of butter and cream, just how we like them. Then I made a quick marinade with mustard and spices, coated some boneless chicken thighs, and roasted them until golden and delicious. To keep things easy and portioned, I picked up these cute little containers. They are reusable, and each one fits a perfect single serving. The idea is to have balanced portions, containing mashed potatoes, some chicken, and a light summer salad. So I'm adding 3 spoons of mashed potatoes in each box, topping with chicken. And when it's time to eat, I'll throw together a fresh tomato cucumber salad on the side. Here's the best part. All the ingredients cost me $13.61, and I got 7 meals out of it. That's $1.94 per portion. Compared to $4 at a local place, we're eating for half the price. They're all packed up in the fridge now, and me and my family can enjoy a good lunch on budget for the next days. Tasty, budget-friendly, and zero stress. See you soon for more mindful spending and money-saving tips.